Let's go over to John TERRETT at the UN headquarters. John.
Well, Sammy, that was the lowest form of communication that it's possible to have from the Security Council. You heard Maria Cristina Percival there, who is the current president of the council. They change every month. It's Argentina's turn at the moment, making what amounted to a very, very bland statement indeed, with really absolutely nothing new in it. I mean, I just wrote down a couple of things that stuck in my mind. She talked about the members of the council having a strong concern for what may have happened in Syria. Remember, we don't know for certain whether it did happen or not yet. There must yet be an investigation. And the language is couched in those terms. She said that it was important that the council felt that the situation there was followed carefully and that any use of chemical weapons, if it has happened, is a violation of international law. And that was about it. I don't know whether you saw at the end as she said that's it, and she looked rather glum as she walked away. I think there are members of the council who would like to be able to do a lot more, but the Security Council, even though it is the final arbiter when it comes to international law issues, is hobbled when it comes to the issue of Syria. They simply can't agree among the 5 permanent members on almost anything, from humanitarian aid to the refugee situation to the situation we face now, a situation where inspectors are being called to investigate further allegations of chemical weapons use. And so that is it, Sammy. That's the Security Council. The meeting was called by the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Luxembourg and South Korea. They met for about 2 hours. They heard from the Deputy Secretary General Jan Eliasson, and the result of that is the very vague, rather bland, tepid statement that you just heard from the President of the Security Council. Sammy?
Well, what wasn't vague and bland, as you were talking there, John, were pictures we were running of what appears to be the alleged victims of that chemical weapons attack. We should remind people that this, if it is confirmed, could be the largest casualties from a chemical weapons attack in the Syrian conflict. A number of those victims, we are told, include women and children.